Another day, another English lesson. Possessive adjective pronouns and possessives with apostrophe s. Possessive shows something belongs to a person or thing. There are two kinds of possessives. 1. Possessive adjective pronouns, my, your, her, his, our, their, its. For example, this is my house. Where is your mother? This is his book. Possessives with apostrophe s. For example, I'm using Paul's pen. Is he Robert's boss? Where are the bicycle's tires? Now watch and listen. 1. He is my father. 2. They like his hat. 3. The girl's bike is red. 4. Her sweater is white. 5. Our school is very big. 6. Their eyes are blue. 7. The cat's food is in a bowl. 8. Her phone is yellow.
Now you try.
One. He is my father. 2. They like his hat. 3. The girl's bike is red. 4. Her sweater is white. 5. Our school is very big. Six. Their eyes are blue. 7. The cat's food is in the bowl. 8. Her phone is yellow. Thank you for watching this video about possessives. I hope you'll watch more worldwide ELT English language teaching videos in the future. See you soon. Thanks for watching.